Most people liked the original, over-engineered light switch cover, but many had thoughts. You asked for a bigger handle, and I delivered. Then Team Wider showed up with a lot of support, and Team Shorter chimed in with a little support. Team Girthier also had demands. I think I have a simple modification to please you all. I learned a lot in this process. I learned bigger does not equal longer, but longer can equal bigger, except that it doesn't. I learned that shorter can equal smaller, except when it doesn't. When did bigger stop meaning longer? Because if I hand you a bigger pizza, that's a wider pizza. But a bigger stick? That's a longer stick. English never agreed on this. Psychologists actually call this the size-weight illusion. Your brain assumes taller objects are bigger even when the volume's identical. Two objects, same size, different shape. Your brain picks the tall one every time. So technically, I wasn't wrong. But I also wasn't right. Version 3. Shorter. Wider. You can grab it with your whole hand now. Full grip. No more pinching it like a fancy teacup. Oh, and someone said the arm's gonna damage my wall, so I took care of that too. I wish my kids cared about my walls as much as you do. Pick your team. Drop it in the comments. Team bigger, team smaller, team shorter, team wider, or team girthier. Every layer matters, and so do you.